In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open HEIC files in Photoshop step by step. If you've ever tried dragging an HEIC photo into Photoshop and got an error message, you're not alone. HEIC is the default photo format used by iPhones and some other devices, but Photoshop on Windows depends on system support to read it properly. The good news is that the fix is simple, and I'll walk you through everything you need to do. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also show you a setting that prevents this problem in the future. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, let's fix the issue directly inside Windows. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, Photoshop relies on Windows codecs to open HEIC files. That means if your system doesn't have the proper extensions installed, Photoshop won't recognize the file format. Here's what you need to do. Click on the Start menu and open the Microsoft Store. Once the store opens, go to the search bar at the top and type HEIF Image Extensions. Press Enter and look for the app called HEIF Image Extensions published by Microsoft. This extension is usually free. Click on it, then click Install. If you already have it installed, you'll see an Open button instead. In some cases, Windows will also require something called HEVC video extensions. If you see a prompt or notice that HEIC files still don't open after installing HEIF, go back to the Microsoft Store and search for HEVC video extensions. Install that as well. Depending on your region, there may be a small fee for this extension, but many systems already include it. Once both extensions are installed, close the Microsoft Store and completely restart Photoshop. This step is important because Photoshop needs to reload the system codecs. After restarting Photoshop, simply drag your HEIC file directly into the workspace or click File, then Open and select your HEIC image. If everything is installed correctly, the file should now open normally without any errors. That's the recommended and most reliable method for Windows users. Now, if for some reason you don't want to install extensions or you just need a quick one-time solution, you can use an online conversion tool. Open your browser and search for HEIC to JPEG converter. One popular option is HEIC to JPEG. Go to the website, upload your HEIC file, and the tool will instantly convert it to a JPEG file. Once the conversion is finished, download the new JPEG image to your computer. Then open Photoshop, go to File, Open, and select the converted JPEG file. It will open without any compatibility issues. Keep in mind that online tools are convenient, but for privacy reasons, you may not want to upload sensitive images. For regular workflow, installing the Windows extensions is still the better long-term solution. Now let's talk about the best fix for the future, especially if your photos are coming from an iPhone. By default, iPhones save images in HEIC format because it reduces file size while maintaining quality. However, if you regularly edit photos in Photoshop on a Windows computer, it may be easier to switch your iPhone to save photos as JPEG instead. Here's how to do that. On your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down and tap Camera, then tap Formats. At the top, you'll see two options, High Efficiency and Most Compatible. High Efficiency uses HEIC format. Most Compatible saves photos as JPEG. Simply select Most Compatible. From that point forward, all new photos you take will be saved as JPEG files, which Photoshop can open instantly without any additional extensions or conversions. So to quickly recap, if Photoshop won't open HEIC files on Windows, install HEIF image extensions and possibly HEVC video extensions from the Microsoft Store, then restart Photoshop. If you need a quick fix, convert the file using an online HEIC to JPEG tool. And if you want to avoid the issue completely in the future, change your iPhone camera format to Most Compatible. And that's it. You now know exactly how to open HEIC files in Photoshop step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.